Alrighty, people. I am here with my boy Zay. It's been a while since we've interacted, so this is gonna be a special one. I am here in Souls RNG, and I have 5 heavenlies, 9 bounds, and a godlike to pop. Yeah, he has 5 bounds. I say we let him go first since he has less. So, yeah, hold on. Wait, let me place down incense and candle. Hold up. Where do we want the candle and incense? Like there's always bench. For sure. For sure bench. Yeah, get the clover, get the clover. Don't make my mistake. Oh, the torchbearer? Oh yeah, dude, I forgot about torchbearer. Do you have any strange potions? Oh, dude, nice. Oh yeah, might want to save that. Do you have like a warp or something? Ah. I mean, it's pretty much fine if I keep my if I keep this my buffs on. Wait, just die. There we go. Boink. Wait. How long does Torchbearer last again? 20 minutes is solid. Did it just break on you? Oh. Ah. Whoa. Ah. I died. What? Why are we way over here? Oh, through the sideline? Yeah, I saw the sideline. Oh yeah, why have the obby when you could just do this? No, you cannot do this. Wait, maybe from the mushroom? Oh well, I don't. Wait, I do have arcane, but I'm just here. Don't worry, Yink. Hold up, arcane. I'm in for 30 or 25 minutes. Wow. Okay, I say we just do it right here in the cave. Okay, or not. That's fine. Hello. The bench is probably gonna be the best idea. Yep, that's our luck. Let's see here. Yeah, I have 6 of them actually. Alright, here's candle and incense. Alright, hold on. Let me just stop my buffs real quick. Yep. Alright. Go ahead and do the dune. You literally got nothing. Wow. Alright, first bound. Aether. Oof. Hurricane. Oh, that's cool. Not too shabby. Hurricane is definitely like one of my favorite auras, not because of its looks, but because of how calm the piano is. Stargazer. Yeah, Stargazer was my first, well, one of my first millions. Another hurricane? That's funny. Oh wow. Alright, final bound. Oh yeah, good point. Oh, cutscene? Oh, Nautilus Lost. I mean, it sure looks good. I mean, I really like the Nautilus Lost one. Alright, it is now my turn. So, let me just go ahead and see what I get from this strange duo. Okay, thankfully it was Sloth. Hello. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Do I do the trio first, or do I do, duos, and then trio? Man, I just got some cookies, man. That's cool. Alright, so, oh, wait. Hold on, let me actually turn buffs on.
Hey, don't stay long, we need you.
Alright, bonk, bonk. Alright, what else do I need? Fortune, definitely fortune. Oh wait, more zombie. And I'll also put on a few more raid potions. Any runes, good point. I'm gonna see if I can go for Impeached again. Okay, so I think I'm good on that. Oh wait, no, I already have that. Wait, does this give luck? Oh, it does give luck. I can't have both on the same. Okay, well at least this one gives more luck. So, first one, first duo. I'm done with this aura, man. I don't want Alice. Stop giving me Alice. Oh, I don't think oh, I did get it. Poof. Alright. 2 times luck. Heavenly. Bound. Bonk. Oh, Dutchman! Oh my god, Dutchman! Oh my god! Oh my god. This is the closest I'll probably get to. Oh wait, no, Runic. I like Runic. I like how Runic looks. I'm happy I got that. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Get up to 2 times. You just rolled Galthwite, whatever. Alright. Wait, what is this? Stargazer? Oh yeah, this is Stargazer. I remember it. Yeah, Stargazer. I'm actually going to delete that. I don't want a second Stargazer. Alright. Oh wait. 2x. Alright. Heavenly. Bound. Aw. Grav? Grav or it's either Grav or Unbound. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's Unbound. Take this and just poof. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's still in here. What is it? I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna do 3.5 mil, but since I don't want Alice to appear, I'm just gonna put that. The extra one shall remove Alice from my entire, like, life or something. Alright. Back to 2x. Alright, this is where we do the trio. Godlike, heavenly, bound. 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding? No. 4 bounds. Alright, 2x. Oh, trash. It's whatever, man. It's whatever. Oh, wait, Matrix. I got Matrix. Wait, no, this is Matrix. This is Matrix. I know it. Yeah, it's Matrix. Matrix. Oh my god. Matrix. Oh my god, voice crack. Wait, Matrix though. Matrix. Oh my god. I just got Matrix. And then I get this. And then I get Astral. No, this is not Parasite. This is Astral. Wait, no, this ain't Astral. Oh, it is Astral. Oh wait. No, but the rune. Oh wait, no, Astral is Galaxy. Okay, and then Terror. Okay, I don't even care that I got Terror. Dude, Matrix, Rune. Oh my god. So, from my entire popping session today, I got Sailor, Chromatic, Runic, Matrix, and Iridescent. As well as a bunch of these other auras inside here. And no global. I don't really care that it's no global. I got Matrix. I don't care. So that was my crazy popping for today, at least. Yeah. So I guess I'll see y'all in another video. So bye. You gotta say bye. Man. Bye bye.